Good morning. Well, we are actually leaving today. The wind's blowing, if you're wondering why my hair looks the way it does. We are leaving today to go to Walt Disney World. So you get to hang out with us for the next several days. Of course, if you're watching these videos, it'll be over the course of the next several weeks. But we are actually going to do a pre-trip inspection preparation video. What do we have in our bags? Obviously our suitcases are gonna be full of clothes and shoes and stuff like that, but we were gonna do this video yesterday. I am actually going down the driveway, just trying to check the mail before we leave. And yeah, I was gonna do this video yesterday, but we had to make sure the grass was mowed. We had a couple extra things we had to take care of around here. But like I said, the trip we're going to do today is going to be a little pre-trip inspection preparation. And then, of course, tomorrow, or the video you'll see, I guess, next week, will actually be our travel day, our first travel day. And then, of course, our first day at Disney. Now, we won't be in the parks at our first day, but we will be doing something very special. So make sure that you pay attention to the videos, you know, everything else that we do, and just make sure that you come back and check us out next week. But first of all, we are technically from Minnesota this vacation because we had to rent a van. Our vehicles don't actually have enough room to carry 6 people, so yeah, here we are with this lovely van. Yeah, it really doesn't get much better than that. But the best part, kids hate it. Babe, you ready?
I think so.
She thinks so.
I think so.
So, in our backpack that we take with us everywhere in the park, we will have the most important thing, which is the thing that I hold my phone with. Chargers. A bunch of ponchos. I think we actually have an extra one. Yes? No?
Maybe.
I think we have an extra one. You never know when one's going to tear up. Magic bands, of course. Extra chargers. An extra wallet that we carry a couple of cash like this, just to be able to make sure that we have money for tips. Gift cards that we've actually bought at Sam's for less than the actual value. And of course, maybe the most important thing during Corona season, hand sanitizer. And on top of that, we have our trusted bag over here, which has all of our Mickey ears, Band-Aids, and oddly enough, a folder with an itinerary. Now let me ask you again. Are we ready?
We are ready. As long as you put everything back in the bag.
Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Babe.
Yes.
I almost forgot the most important part.
What's that?
The actual most important part. Snacks that keep everybody from getting hangry. Gotta love when your wife says she wants to be part of the video and then you put her on the spot. Let's check out this van. The most important part, the storage. All right. Before, and this is like actually like really deep. I mean, like, I don't know. From fingertip all the way about halfway up my forearm deep, and then it goes obviously all the way up, and then of course we have a little bit of room. Somehow we got leather seats. I'm not real sure, like this leather mixed with cloths kind of thing. I'm not really sure if I like that, but y'all don't judge me because this is a rental. So yep, this is our before. Minnesota, land of 10,000 lakes. And after. Babe.
What?
Babe.
What?
We ready?
Joey said hey to Noah.
Hello, everybody.
Oh, we're making a video.
We already know we're making a video. Yep. we are almost ready to go. I am literally just running through the house real quick, making sure that everything is off. Nothing crazy is on, the water's off. All these random, because you know, with kids, you have like 1,000 things that get plugged in overnight and then left on. But I think we've just about got it. So the next video you will see will actually be next week. So make sure that you tune in, subscribe, see all this future stuff, blah, blah, blah. Everything's off in this room. Yep, let's get ready for Disney. We will be gone for 8 days. Today is Sunday, July the 11th. We will be back Monday, July the 19th. So take it easy, take care. We will see you next time. Goodbye.